Location natin guys is Rotunda of Coronadal City. So kung mag right turn ka dyan guys, papunta yan sa Tacurong City. At kung mag left turn ka naman, papunta yan sa General Santos City. So diretso lang po tayo. So ngayong araw ay isa na namang alternative road ang ating papasadahan. At ito yung kalsada na nagkukunikta mula dito sa Coronadal City hanggang doon sa Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. So sa ruta na to ay madadaanan natin ang mga bayan ng Banga and Norala, South Cotabato. So magandang alternative road to guys para makaiwas sa traffic na National Highway ng Coronadal Tacurong Road. So sa video na to ay ipapakita ko sa inyo ang status ng daan, kung safe ba itong gamitin sa lahat ng uri ng sasakyan, at ipapakita ko din sa inyo ang mga magagandang tanawin na ating madadaanan.
We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Alright, kung magdiretso tayo guys, ito yung daan papunta doon sa Surala at papunta din sa Lake Cebu. So right turn tayo dito at ito yung daan papunta doon sa Municipality of Norala and Isulan, Sultan Kudarat.
Got me feeling the air, and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze. Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about
Welcome to Municipality of Norala, the rice bowl of the south.
fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to
Ito na po yung Municipal Hall of Norala, South Cotabato. I love Norala. So diretso lang pa tayo guys. Bowl of rice, Norala.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowing. less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain.
Right, dito na tayo sa junction ng Barangay Kulambog of Norala, South Cotabato. So kung mag-left turn ka dito guys, ito yung daan papunta doon sa Sorala, papunta doon sa Tibuli. Right turn lang tayo dito at papunta tayo doon sa Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Recap lang po ng ating biyahe ngayong araw mula doon sa Coronadal City hanggang doon sa Banga, South Cotabato. Ay napakagandang kalsada po yan dyan guys, maluwag at konkreto po ang kalsada dyan. At mula naman sa Banga hanggang dito sa Norala ay meron itong 2 lane at konkreto din po yung kalsada dyan. Mula naman sa Norala hanggang dito sa Isulan ay napakaluwag po ang kalsada na to at konkreto din po ang kalsada na yan. Alright? So nakita nyo na po ang status ng daan mula doon sa Coronadal City hanggang dito sa Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to ay huwag kalimutang mag-like, comment and share para mas marami pang makapanood sa video na ito. At huwag din kalimutang mag-follow and subscribe sa ating Facebook page at YouTube channel para updated ka sa lahat ng videos uploads ko. Hanggang sa muli, daghang salamat po!
Get some comfort, please.